We'll do the question of regression analysis on X's, and this is the data provided in the question. I'll read out the question. We are given data for 10 recent shipments made by the company. A record of distance in miles and time taken was made. Draw a regression line after finding the estimated time of delivery from the given information. So this is x, y, and estimated time is given by y dash is equals to a plus bx. Here a is the intercept and b is the slope. Now to calculate intercept, the function is given, that is intercept is equals to intercept open bracket. Now we have known y's, comma, known x's. Bracket close and enter. Same with the slope, we are provided with a function that is equals to slope, open brackets, known y's, comma, known x's. Bracket closed, enter. Now to calculate y, what we have to do is equals to is cell reference. We'll use the cell reference only, and we have to fix this value because it will be repeating in the following table, plus b, again we'll fix this value, and into x. X will keep on changing, so we'll not fix this value. Enter. Now drag the cursor here in the whole table. Now one more thing which we have to do in this question is we have to insert a chart. So select all the table, go on insert page, will make a scattered chart. Now what we have to do is we have to give the titles and axis titles in the chart, that is regression analysis, and again we have to give axis titles, this is distance, in miles, closed. And this is delivery time. It is in days. So this is all what we have to do. Change the colors. Perfect. Now this question is done. In the regression question, what we have to do is the data will be provided x and y. We have to calculate estimated time delivery, that will be y dash is equals to a plus bx, and a here is intercept, b is slope. Intercept का function is given is equals to intercept, and same with the slope is equals to slope. So this is all the question. Thank you.